Undoubtedly one of the benefits of lemongrass, lemongrass tea is used as a detox tea to increase metabolism, which further aids in weight loss. According to a 2013 report published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, the presence of polyphenol compounds and caffeine content of lemongrass increases energy expenditure and fat oxidation, thereby contributing to weight loss. Cymbopogon, also known as lemongrass, barbed wire grass, silky heads, cochin grass, Malabar grass, oily heads, citronella grass or fever grass, is a genus of Asian, African, Australian, and tropical island plants in the grass family. Citronella grass, Cymbopogon nardus and Cymbopogon winterianus, grow to about 2 meters or 6.5 feet and have magenta-colored base stems. These species are used for the production of citronella oil, which is used in soaps, as an insect repellent, especially mosquitoes and houseflies, in insect sprays and candles, and in aromatherapy. Might help in diabetes treatment. Some studies show that lemongrass tea can lower blood sugar levels, and this can be beneficial to people with diabetes. But consult your doctor if you are already on diabetes medication. Lemongrass can regulate blood pressure. Studies have dubbed lemongrass as a traditional remedy for hypertension. But we suggest that individuals with heart problems use lemongrass tea with caution, for the very same reason. Lemongrass also can fight against cancer. According to a study published in the journal Agriculture and Food Chemistry, lemongrass is full of antioxidants. These antioxidants have the ability to fight against free radicals, which are responsible for the development of cancer cells as well as premature aging. Lemongrass tea may help treat oral infections and cavities, thanks to its antimicrobial properties. According to a 2012 in vitro study published by the National Institutes of Health trusted source, lemongrass essential oil showed antimicrobial abilities against Streptococcus mutans bacteria, the bacteria most responsible for tooth decay. Drinking lemongrass tea might strengthen your hair follicles, thereby preventing hair fall. Studies have shown how applying the oil to hair can reduce dandruff in a matter of 7 days. The oil is most effective when used daily. Add a few drops of the oil to your shampoo and conditioner. These are the benefits of lemongrass tea. But what contributes to these benefits are the nutrients present in lemongrass. The benefits of lemongrass tea are numerous. The tea may aid in weight loss, help manage diabetes, and effectively regulate blood pressure. It also reduces cancer risk and promotes digestive, kidney, skin, and hair health. However, overconsumption may cause lung problems and could be unsafe during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Hence, caution is advised. However, moderate intake can be safe and beneficial. Thank you for watching. I hope this is useful and adds to your insight.